Yeah, how's you guys doing? In today's video we're going to be showing you guys how to make banners like these ones right here on the screen right now. So I actually did a poll today if you guys wanted GFX GFX like banners and logos and stuff, or clothing tutorials, and most of you guys said GFX tutorials. So let me just turn on this song. So that's pretty freaking good because I love GFX tutorials. I want to make them instead of clothing tutorials. But hey, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a simple banner, simple like cute banner. I don't know what you want to call this. Yeah, so like the one I had on my screen a few seconds ago. Anyway, yeah, or now, I don't know. Let's see what my editing skills can do. Anyway, yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so first of all, of course, you're gonna click File, New, and open at 3000 by 1000, and then Create, because you're making a Twitter header or banner. You can also convert this to a YouTube one if you zoom in. But you know, if you want to become a good clothing designer, you have to know how to make GFX shit as well. I'm not joking. Like, that helps. Like, you guys probably think that has nothing to do, but it does have a lot to do with it. All right, so yeah. All right, so first of all, you're gonna need a character, of course. I'm gonna pick any character for this tutorial, so I'll be back. All right, so what you want to do is just want to search like anime HD render, whatever you want to search up on your anime character, and I just picked this one because I don't know who this even is or anything, but that doesn't matter because we're about to make a sick banner with this. So I'm gonna show you how to do, of course. And yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy this video. That is really much it. So first, what you want to do is you want to remove this render whatever thing, because pretty much on most of the anime renders is gonna say like rendered by someone, but that doesn't matter. All right, so put her or him on the left side, or on the right. You can do the same thing as I'm doing in this tutorial on the right side, but I like to keep it on the left side, like all the characters and stuff. Make sure the background is white for it, because today's tutorial is actually going to be a white background. And yeah, so what you want to do is you want to duplicate it if you don't know how. Before doing this, I would recommend watching my other tutorials if you already haven't, but if you have, then this is perfect. But you can still do this without, so don't worry. So what you want to do is you want to click Control and then J while selected on this, and then you want to press Control T, and then you want to zoom this up like a bit like this. And then what you want to do is you want to put a bit down like this. Then you want to put it under like this, so it looks like this, right? And then what you want to do is you want to select this tool right here. Actually, you might want to make her even bigger like this. So now what you want to do actually is put her in the perfect position, like right here, to be honest. So it works. Now you want to pick this tool right here, the whatever something marquee tool. You want to hold shift and then just drag it like this until it looks just about this size. Or yeah, just about this size right here. Okay, wait, I'm kind of messed up. All right, hold on. So oh yeah, I forgot to mention no, okay, no, do the same thing you just did, like this. And then what you want to do is you want to put this right here, like about here. You want to press select inverse, and then you just want to delete, so it looks like this. It has this little circle effect. Now what you want to do is you're going to put gradient map, and you want to hold alt and press here. Now you get something like this. Make sure this is black, and then you can have another color, whatever color you want in here. Since this character is blue, let's add like a blue, like a little bit lighter blue, I would say. Okay, wait, maybe no, hold on, maybe like a darker blue. Okay, really, maybe something like this, I don't really know. And yeah, so just press Ctrl E to merge it, so it looks like this now. And what I actually like to do is I want to create a new layer, and I want to put a bit of glow on her eyes. That's what I normally do, just like this. Just press overlay, and then another layer, and just like this, and just put the opacity a bit down. That's what I like to do. And of course, you can do this with another color. So let's say I want to do this with the blue. Okay, maybe not. Oh no, because it's on the, yeah, you need to make a new layer, so like this. Okay, maybe not that blue, like probably a bit lighter blue. Whatever, just do this works, I guess. But I kind of messed up, but yeah. Yeah, we can just keep it like this, I guess. And then what I actually like to do is you want to go on this. You want to pick the sharpening tool. Not a lot of people know about this, but the sharpening tool and just sharpen the eyes. So it looks kind of weird close up. It's not gonna look better zoomed out. See, let's do the same with this as well. If you really want to improve, just make sure to, oh yeah, wait, let's set a light goal. So like this, you see, look, just looks better. Look, I'll show you the before. So this is before. See, it just looks a bit like that, and then this is after. It just looks more like, I don't know what you want to call it, but hey, anyway, let's hit the like goal of 47 likes. I'm joking. Let's get 50 likes on this tutorial. If we hit 50 likes, I'm of course uploading even better content, so make sure to hit 50 likes. And yeah, so enjoy the video. Now what you want to do is you want to create a new layer. I just want to select this, just make a line right here, select this too, and just make a line. And use the color that you're using for your whole banner, so like the main theme kind of color. I guess I'll use this one, so then I should probably, okay, so I should probably have changed the gradient map on this. I think I can do it again. Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a bit tough. Let me just copy this hex. So okay, come on. There you go. Now this has to be black, I'm pretty sure. Wait, can this be white actually? Oh no, because then that happens. Okay. Alright, anyway, that's good, I think. Fuck, that isn't good. What happened? Was it not really like... I guess I'll do it the classic way, where you just do this. Just paintbrush over it. And I guess... Look at that. And I guess just put the overlay down. But whatever. Alright, so once we have done that, now what you want to do is... Let me just look at my banner, because I honestly forgot. Oh, that's the wrong one. Not even posting that anywhere, so if you saw that, you're lucky. Alright, so what I want to do now is I actually want to take text tool or whatever, put whatever name you're doing. Yeah, make sure you use like a bold font, or like, you don't have to use a bold font, but I feel like it looks best with a bold. I like this one right here, is pretty sick. So if I just type Yuzo, this font right here, just put it like right here somewhere, like this. That looks pretty cool. And of course you want to make it the same theme as the actual banner itself. So you want to put the gradient map, you want to put the main color first, like that. Then you want to do the same color, but make it a bit darker or lighter. I like to prefer lighter, but sorry, I'm gonna just do lighter. Anyway, you don't need stroke, you need drop shadow though for sure, and copy these settings right here, and that's it. Now what you gotta do, you have, it looks like this, right? That's meant to look like that, right? So you did a good job. All right, good. Now what you want to do is you want to find another render of this PNG right here. I have no idea what PNG this is, so I'm gonna be back. Okay, I kind of didn't find another render because I have no idea what name this is, so I'm gonna just use this one and just copy it, and then just put horizontal on, so it looks like this. So what you want to do now is you want to pick the eyes out. It's kind of hard if they're like this, but just try to get it. Okay, maybe I have to rotate it even. That's not good. Alright, whatever. So this works. What you want to do is now Control T, and now you can remove this whole layer. You just want the eyes, that's it. Now what you want to do, you want to make it smaller, or you want to put it right there. So like this. The character pick from me was probably not the smartest. I should have picked another character, which would have been better. But yeah. So now once you have done this, what you want to do is you actually want to get a pack called Rigera Pack. No, not the Rigera Pack. Which pack was it? Ah, damn, I kind of forgot. It's probably Rigera Pack, not gonna lie. Alright, so if you don't have Rigera Pack, then I can't really help you. But you can probably look on YouTube some free GFX packs. So just search up free GFX pack and try to find some, because I know this pack right here has what I'm looking for, but I'm not sure if others do. Probably others do. I mean, I know others do, but I don't know which ones. So all you're gonna have to do is you search on YouTube, just go in GFX pack and just check every GFX pack for this effect or whatever this thing is called. So what I'm trying to show you guys is, oh wait, it's not even in this pack. Oh no, it is. So look, I'm trying to show you guys this. No, not this. No, not this. Wait, where is it? Yeah, so this, wait. Yeah, this right here. This right here is what I'm looking for. And I don't really know how this works yet perfectly, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. But look, I just do like this. And now once I've done that, I just can't merge it, of course. So that's why you want to select these two. And you want to drag them over like this. And now I kind of have this, but you want to actually put them at the bottom right there. And why is it not showing, huh? Okay, wait, this is confusing. Oh yeah, because I have this on. Yeah, okay, so now we have this. So now what you want to do is you want to resize it so it's perfectly like this. Now you just want to copy this, copy the background, put it right next to this, and just copy this as well, to be honest. Put it right there so it looks like this. And this one may be a bit more like to the, yeah, I guess that works. No one will notice. So just like that. So I don't know which packs have that. So, oh wait, there you go. Wait, no, this line. Wait, what? Okay, wait, this is confusing. All right, whatever. So yeah, I don't know what packs have that, but this one has. All right, cool. Now what you want to do is you want to put your signature. You don't have to do this. This is my personal preference thingy. I just like to put my name, Yuzo, right here. I will make sure it's not like blended in or anything. Just put it all the way on top. You can put this any color you want. If you want to put it as theme color, go ahead. I just put it as black. But I just like to put it right here. But that's not important right now, so let's just hide this. What's important is that I'm gonna show you guys something right here. You're gonna need a box like this. Create a box like this. Right? Let me create a new layer. You're gonna need this. So just do this. Make sure you got that box. And then what you want to do is you want to take like from here, I would say. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong. Okay. Hold on. So you want to take it from the corner, slice it, bow, and then you have something like this. Now you want to do here, 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 here. Okay, maybe that was a bit too much. If it's too much, just go a bit closer, like here. Bow, bow, bow. You can press Alt Delete. I never do that. Oh no, that's okay. That's gonna fill it. Don't press Alt Delete. Okay, now you have a box like this. Perfect. All right, that's exactly what you need. So now what you want to do is you want to put that box. What, bro? I don't know shapes. All right, listen, I don't know what this is. It's a freaking box. Okay, a box, bro. Okay, hold on. I'm struggling to zoom. All right, so just keep it like that. Put it right here, I would say. And now put the whatever this is. Put that there. Press Ctrl T. And I just want to copy it with the same distance to each other like this. So once you have done 4, it's actually gonna go. Every time you do more and more, it's just gonna go easier. Because look, if you do this, right, you wanna select this, so Control and then Shift and then press here. Control E that, Control J that, and now what you want to actually do is you want to put it behind everything. So over there. Okay, fair enough. Now we want to put this over here as well. Oh wait, over here. So like this. So now what you can do is you can just, it's pretty important to get this little spot there or whatever. So now once you've done that, you can merge those and Control T that again. Now you have something like this. So you see, Now I can just control T that again, and then again. There we go. Now you have something like this. Of course, I kind of made it better last time, but hey, here we have this. Now you can't say you're done, but I'm not, because do you know what I like to do? I like to add CCs and test different color corrections, because that's what CC stands for. So I'm not gonna lie. Let's try green, for example. Look, you can just try any color. This is the original pack. You guys, bro, it's worth it. I have green over here. See, it just makes everything green. Looks pretty good. This right here, oh, that looks interesting. Hold on. Okay, that's fair enough. That's fair. So, okay, yeah, this one is the one I used last, Linky. Okay, it just really does nothing. It looked pretty good, though. So, this one, red. Oh, red? That's orange. See, that works. You just want to test out. That's what I do. Red, please. Oh my god, that looked terrible. So, yeah, not everything works. Okay, everything was gray, but just blue. This is not going to do anything. Okay, cool. Now, what I actually like to do, show you guys in a minute. Let me just find the PNG. Alright, once I have this, look, here you have it. I add my text, my signature, whatever. It's not really my signature, of course, but yeah, you just put that there. And now what you can do is you can add text all over this. So get a cool font like this, ancient maybe. I don't know. Alright, so make a new layer. Type in Yuzo. Get a cool font that's readable. You don't have to do this at all. Like I said, personal preference. So I just put Yuzo. It's a really bad font for exactly what I'm doing. You just want to put Yuzo right here. You're gonna make sure it's white. This really doesn't, you don't need to do this, of course, like I already said 20 times, but yeah, just make sure this, bro. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Wait, is it? Wait, where's the render? Oh my god. All right, so I can just put it here, put the opacity a bit down so it looks like this, and now you can just control T that, put it everywhere. So kind of like this. And you can just put it all over the place. Oh shit. Of course you want to do one more. Like that. So there you have it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video for this tutorial. If you did enjoy, smash a like. This is another basic template, not template. I'm not leaving you guys templates. If you could really want a template, 100 likes and I'll drop the template in my Discord. So yeah, make sure to join that as well. And yeah, have a good one, guys.